Postmaster, what is it? 1:30 Monday evening? Postmaster, what is it? 1:30 Monday evening? How about a Postmaster switchblade, baby?
That'd be 2:30 Monday afternoon. Hey, Switchblade, it'd be 2:30 Monday afternoon. I was just talking with my quad brother, number 5, out there around the islands. He said he could hear both our conversation going on before. I told him I was coming down here. I wonder if he followed. Hey, Switchblade, it'd be 2:30 Monday afternoon, 410?
Yeah, I mean 2:30. I said 1:30. Yeah, 2:30. That's right. 2:30 Monday afternoon around Melbourne, Australia. Yeah, baby. It's it's 9:30 plus. It's 9:30 plus over here now. Woodford, Mississippi, USA. Sunday night. All-Star, NBA All-Star Sunday night. You said something about number 5, but you waving in and out of my radio. So you said number 5, Northeast Corner, did you?
Yeah, number 5, my 629 built twin. Number 5 out there around the islands, my 629 built twin. Showtime out there around the islands might be out there, man. Hey, Switchblade, I just was talking with Showtime out there around the islands, and I told him I was going to come down here and see if I can't get your attention one more time. Hey, Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi, still rocking it on way down under. A little bit of a fade in, fade out, but you know what? You still got my radio on lockdown. Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi, Postmaster down under, got up.
Hey, Postmaster, I said 629, that's 629 is my brother. 629 out of my brother's company. Yeah, 629 technology, but you know, who the hell is number 5? I don't know number 5 unless Big Island. I know 442. 442 working at Quad Mission. How the hell are you talking about number 5 around the moon blue water, around the Hawaii? Postmaster, switchblade news about.
Yeah, number 5, that'd be Showtime out there around Hawaii, man. Number 5 be Showtime out there around Hawaii. He's working the identical twin to my quad, man. Hey, Switchblade, Showtime out there around the Hawaiian Islands. He running the same quad as what I'm got. Hey, Switchblade, he running a 629 built identical twin to mine there, 410?
Yeah, Showtime, that's right, yeah, Showtime, 442. Yeah, Showtime is running your identical twin. Showtime, yeah, he's good. You said he's number 5. Hell, I didn't know he was number 5. Take your play, right? Yeah, Showtime is running my 629 quad also, right?
That's right, man. Yeah, back in the day, it was number 5 in the Mobile. Back in the day, it was number 5 in the Mobile. Hey, Switchblade, back in the day, it was number 5 in the Mobile. That's how I know. That's how I've been talking to him for a long time. Number 5, and his big brother, Big Bopper. But hey, Switchblade, I don't know if he's there at the moment. Let's see. Hey, number 5, are you on the side there? You taking a back seat for the minute? Hey, number 5, you got your ears on, Booker 6, being nosy. Come on.
Oh, you said I need to take a back seat. Conditioning no good, guy. Conditioning no good. Somebody can say something. Number 5 is still out for us. Number 5 is in the Mobile, but conditioning no good. But take care of around moving Australia. You said that I'm on the back seat or something. Hell, you know down the back seat. I'm just can't think of. Take care of later. Switch, there's one seat. Bye-bye.
Ah, dear Switchblade. Hey, Switchblade, doesn't matter, man. The main thing is, you're the last person I'm speaking to from the USA, no doubt about it. Uncle Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi, the last man standing, the biggest mud duck out there around the Super Bowl, the biggest mud duck in the USA on that Sam Cooke 15 element 24.5 dB gain antenna. On that Sam Cooke 15 element 24.5 dB gain antenna. Uncle Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi. Take 'em easy. Take care. Your Postmaster down under wave. Now, I'll see ya.
Just a shame that you're splattering those 2 channels inside, yeah.
Last man standing. Too short for a loader, Postmaster. Well, you the last man standing in Australia. Last one I talked to out of Australia, no doubt about it. Take care, Chloe. Hell, you the only one I talked to out of Australia today. All by yourself. All by yourself and nobody else. Take care, my brother. H.A., my little nephew. Worldwide Postmaster. Switchblade. Wolfley. Adios.
Alright, Uncle Switchblade, take him easy, take care. We'll do it again some other day, another way. Uncle Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi. Your postmaster, your nephew down under stepping now. I'll see you. Bye.
Check. Mate. Take care. 06. Checkmate.
Click.
Postman.